Hello, it's Brian again. This is the last of the series of Peak 7700. That's where it is, right up there. So it's not a super long hike. I'm just hiking this last stretch up to my Jeep, which is right over there. Mine's a two-wheel drive, so I didn't drive it all the way down, because down at the bottom of the canyon, well, maybe a little bit up from the bottom, PCT crosses here, and as you saw earlier when I was hiking towards the peak, you do get some 4x4 enthusiasts that come through. Well, down near where the PCT junction is, right next to it, there's a red Jeep just chilling there. Mine's not really meant for four-wheel driving. It's a good vehicle. It's a good SUV, but it's not for off-roading. Coming down this was kind of hairy. So this is where I came. This is 2N04. Highway 38, probably about a half mile or so up that way. But yeah, just about back. Since I haven't been hiking in quite a while, definitely a little bit on the warped side. Definitely a little worn out. Not gonna lie, I'm out of shape. But peak was not a strenuous peak. Not even really steep. So I would estimate it's about a three or so mile hike. Just an estimate. Here I am, back at the car. Kind of glad. A little tired. So now I get to turn around and go back down. No, go back up, I should say. Let's see. It's good to be back at the car. Whew. The breeze is cool, the sun is warm. Here's a plant you'll see quite often, especially in disturbed areas. This is Mojave globe mallow, or apricot mallow. Spiralsea ambigua. I've seen them in the Mojave Desert and up in the mountains. We're a bit above 7,000 feet, maybe about 7,400 feet, maybe, right here. So that's another plant you'll see a lot in disturbed areas, like roadsides. You see the leaves are kind of wrinkly, grayish. Beautiful, beautiful plant. So this is it. Peak 7600, again, is the mountain over there. I'm not sure what these peaks are, but yeah, Peak 7600 is behind the pinions over there. Sure was a beautiful day. Not overly hot, but the sun will drain you. So, as always, thanks for watching. This is going to be the end of this series, and I will see you on the trail very soon. Maybe off of it. I did do a fair amount of cross country to get up to the top of that peak. I can see where the rocky outcropping is that I bypassed to get up to the top. I can see it. It's cool. Alright, I'll see you next time on one of my hiking adventures. Well, I'm on vacation this week, so I'll probably end up packing in at least a couple more. And even maybe some non-hike, like maybe non-peak bagging episodes. I don't like to use the term peak bagger really, but peak climbing episodes. Because I have a lot of respect for mountain peaks, and I love hiking them, and I do have a lot of respect for mountain peaks. But again, thanks for watching. Probably a couple more days, maybe another day or two, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow it's supposed to be cooler in the lowlands, in the low to mid 70s where I live. So I might even do something local, which I haven't done in a long time. So I'll see you on the next adventure.